Okay, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download graphical analysis, Vernio graphical analysis. We've done that a couple times. And once you've done that, you can go ahead. I'll go ahead and pause the video until you get it downloaded. Okay, so once you've downloaded it and you're on this screen, you'll need to take your textbook and turn to page 205. 205, you're going to have a table of a relationship between an altitude in the atmosphere. We're going to look at air temperature, air pressure, and mass. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go manual entry. Once you do manual entry, what we can do is we can go ahead and set up our own graph. What you'll go to is the data set 1 under the X variable. You're going to choose column options. In the column option, you're going to choose this column option, and then you're going to replace the X with the heading of the first column in your data table called altitude. And then you're going to put in the units, kilometers. You're going to go ahead and apply. At this point in time, you're going to go ahead and plug in the altitudes. Okay, once you've plugged in the altitude, then you're going to go over to Y. You're going to column option. And then you're going to do the second column, which is air temperature. And you're going to go ahead and put that as in degrees Celsius. And you're going to go ahead and apply. Then you're going to go ahead and correlate the altitude with the temperature. Okay, once you've plugged those in, you go down to the data table and go to edit graph options. You're going to go ahead and hit both so it connects your dots. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and add a few things. So go to column options under air temperature and add a manual column. We're going to add the third column, Third column is air pressure. And that's in millimeters of mercury. We're also, while we're doing it, we're going to add in the fourth column right away. So we're going to add another column, and we're going to put in the mass of the air in 1 liter. Kind of like a density. And we're going to go ahead and apply that. So then we're going to go ahead and plug in our air pressure. Okay, and in the mass we'll do the same. Okay. Okay, so once you have all those plotted, what we're going to do is we're going to go to, you got to save this. So you're going to have to go to Untitled, and you're going to go to Save As, and you're going to save it to your Google Drive. So Save As, save it to your Google Drive, and then we'll look at it tomorrow, okay, once you've done that. So make sure that you have done all those things. Your graph, your table should look like this. Should be the first 4 columns. Okay, and then go to Save As. Make sure you save it as in your Google Drive so you can access it tomorrow as well. Okay? So that's what your assignment's to do, and then we're going to look at the questions on page 205 and 206.